the other day and I saw a comment how to use TradingView. So in this part of the course, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView app either on your smartphone or on your PC. You are going to learn about chart analysis, utilize TradingView tools for charting and technical analysis. Remember, in the last episode, I showed you how to do technical analysis. You are also going to learn about indicator application, how to customize and use indicators for better market analysis or insight. You also learn about watch list and alerts. Monitor your multiple asset and asset alerts for potential trade opportunities. So let me explain this and we'll just get into the code. So TradingView has price history of all the cryptocurrencies that you know, whether you are trading forex, stocks, indices or bonds or futures. But in our case, we are trading futures, we are trading crypto derivatives. You can either trade them on Binance, KuCoin or Bybit. They are all exchanges. What I just mentioned are called exchanges. This is where we are going to be doing our trading. You can use Binance to do your technical analysis. You can also use Bybit or KuCoin. But it's very important you learn how to use TradingView because TradingView has a clear original chart of all the pairs that you are going to be trading. So just go to Google and search for TradingView.com. TradingView.com. You can also download it on your MacBook or your Windows PC. After downloading it, when you come to the website, this is what you are supposed to see. Then you go to the product section. We are only going to be using this part called Super Chat. So you click on the Super Chat. You also have community, market, news and brokers and everything that you might need to start your day trading. But what I'll advise you do is make sure you read the PDFs that I've given to you in the video below. So you make sure you read the PDFs. So for the past month, Bitcoin has been bullish. Because of that, all the altcoins are also bullish. In this part of the course, I will be teaching you how to use the TradingView app. So to use the TradingView app is very simple. Let's say what you want to do is once you are on your Super Chat, click on the button at the right hand side below. So you click on it. This is my Binance account. So I've logged in my Binance. If you have not logged in, you just click on it to log in. Okay, so you can click here to close panel if you want. Okay, so you can just click and log into your Binance. In the previous videos, I even showed you how to log into your Binance. Then after doing that, let's say you are going to change your chart settings. You are going to change your chart settings. Just right click on it here. Okay, so when you right click, you go to settings. So when you go to settings, you can either decide to use if you want to change the color. Just take a screenshot of what I'm showing you so that you can use it to do your TradingView. Okay, this is how I let my chart be. I use candlestick patterns. So the body, the first color is white, the second one is blue. For the borders, I use black and blue. Then the wick is this particular one, the candlestick wicks, these long pin bars. I use black, then I use pink for it. We also have the last price. So the last price is this particular one, which I use the green button. Then we also have previous day close. I don't use that one. High and low of the day, I don't use it. Buy and ask price, I don't use it. So for the precision, leave it at default. Time zone, so they will automatically select the time zone for you. Okay, so that's the first setting that you want to do. We have the status line. So with the status line, this place is called the status line. So you can either decide to leave the logo of the coin that you are trading, or you can just underline it. We have the title. So the title is the coin. This part we have other ways. If you look at where my mouse is at the left hand side, we have other perpetual features contract. Okay, so if you remove the title, it will be gone. If you click on the title, it will surely appear. Then we have the open market status. So if the market is open, it will let you know. So this particular place showing the market open, the green bar showing us that the market has been open. Because we are trading crypto, the market is open 24/7. But what you should know is that we have two sessions that we need to be trading. That's the New York session and the London session. These are the sessions that the market usually moves very fast. So we can go to the bar change. So the bar change is this particular place where we know how much the price have already increased in a day or within an hour. So just leave it there. Then we have the background. So with the background, you can decide to leave it at blue or so. The skills. The skills are symbols and names, right? So if you want, you can just add the skills this particular place. Look at the right hand side. These are the skills here. So if you want to add the coin name or if you don't want to add it, so we have other USDT. I would recommend you add the name here. Then we also have the last price symbol. The last price is this particular one. Then we have the symbol too. So just make sure you on it. After that, then you go for the day break of the week. This particular place, it shows how the market has opened in the past previous week. After that, you can just click on OK. Then we'll go to the canvas. So with the canvas, you decide the color that you want to use for the background. So you can use black. For me, I usually go for white. You can even select blue. You can select any color of your choice. Yellow, you can go for any color, but I prefer to use white. Then we have the grid lines. So the grid lines, you can even decide to use vertical and horizontal. Just leave it at none. Then we have crosshairs. These are the crosshairs, some small lines. Then watermark. So for the text, leave it at 12 size. Font size is 12. Then you scroll down. We have top to be 10%, bottom to be 8%, right bar to be 10%. Just leave it as the way it is. Then we come to the trading. So with the trading, you can decide to add the buy and sell buttons here. So the buy and sell buttons are the ones at the right hand side. Sometimes you might want to enter a trade very fast. So you can click here for buy and sell. This is the buy price, the sell price, okay? The difference between them. You scroll down, all these things are not necessary. That's why I'm not using them. Then we have the events. So the events are usually on forex pairs. If you are not trading forex, just ignore it. So I've just showed you how to set your trading view. After setting it, let's say you want to change your chart to lines. So you can click on the left hand side candlesticks at the corner. So you can even decide to use hollow candles or you can use bars. For me, I go for candlesticks. They also have indicators. So all the indicators that you might want to use, just click on the indicators at the left hand side corner here. So when you click on it, just type in any indicator that you want. If you want to use MACD, so you type in MACD here. So we have MACD here. You can use any strategy of your choice. So let's say you want to use moving averages, right? So we just click on the moving average here. Then it will appear. So you can now double click on that moving average and use the period that we want to use. So if you want to use 50 EMA, you can just type in 50 here. We have the style. So for the style, you can change the color. If you want to use green color, you want to use yellow color, you want to use any color of your choice, you can change it. For me, I usually like to use the green color. Then we have visibility. If you want how you can see it, even the style, when you go back, you can even decide to use smooth line or you can just leave it like that. For the scales, you can even increase it, or if you want, just leave it like that. So you can click on OK. So this is how you add indicators to very simple and straightforward. If you want to remove it, you can click on remove section here. Then we move to the time frame. So each candlestick here is equivalent to 4-hour time frame. So for me, I take my trades in a 4-hour time frame. So we have 1H. 1H means 1 hour. Each candlestick here I've taken 1 hour to form. So if you want to start trading, I'll advise you go from the weekly time frame to 1 day time frame, 4-hour time frame to 1 hour time frame. That way you know how the market is behaving. So if the market is going up in the weekly time frame, it will surely be going up in the daily time frame. Then we have the 4-hour time frame to be in the same thing. Then we can even go here to change the pair if you want to trade. So let's say we want to check out BTC, so we can just type in BTC.p. So always add .p because we are trading crypto perpetuals. You add .p to it. You can now select the exchange that you are using. So if you are using Bybit, you select Bybit. If you are using OKX or you are using BitGet, just select any of the brokers that you are using, any of the exchanges. It's very important you select the exchange that you are using, because if you are going to calculate your position sizing, they will be asking you for all these things so that the numbers will be the same. So what I'll do is I'll select Binance because I'm trading on Binance. So I'll select Binance this way. So this is the current chart for BTC in a this in 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So that means that each candlestick here have taken 4 hours to form, right? Each candlestick have taken 4 hours to form. You can see I entered the trade that was yesterday with 0 drawdown. We entered BTC. Now we have currently hit our second TP. That was this afternoon. So let's say we want to add these particular bars to our TradingView. These ones we call them price prediction tools, right? These are called price prediction tools. We call this particular place the trend line. So with the trend line, you get the horizontal ray, you have the info line, extended line, all these triangles. I'll encourage you to play around with them so that you get to understand how they are working. Then we have the text section. So I've just given them shortcut. You guys remember the last time I showed you how to use these particular ones. Is like the part 4 of the tutorial here. So this is how you use TradingView. Okay, if let's say we want to go back, we just click here to go back. We can click here to create alert. So this is Bitcoin price here. So we can enter a price where these people will send us a message. When the price reaches that place, they will send us a message. So let's say we want to enter the market if Bitcoin hit 45k. Okay, so if Bitcoin hit 45k, we want to enter the market. So I can click on OK here. So once I click on OK, I've just created an alert. So if Bitcoin reaches 45,000, this thing, TradingView is going to send me a message telling me that Bitcoin have reached 45,000. So we also have let's say if I forget, you can click here to hide all the indicators here. So if I want to just click here to hide all the indicators, we have the lock section. So let's say if you are using a drawing toolbar and you want to lock it so that you'll be using that one, you can just click on the lock key section. We also have the ruler for measuring the bar movement. So if we can measure from this particular place to here using the calculator section, you can just click this way to delete it. You can click here to reset the chart. So this is the normal chart. You can even click here to pull the chart to the downside if you want to. So I can click it this way to drag it to this side, any side that I want. You can even click this particular place to reduce it, okay, to reduce the trade. So if you want to know the open positions, just click this place. You see your open positions. So I've connected my Binance to it. You can click here to choose spot wallet, or you can click here to choose futures wallet. You can also click here to log out and select a different exchange. So if you are using Bybit or Coinbase, you can click here to log out so that you can use it. So if you still have any problems using the TradingView website, you can let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Binance feed because I share important information there. So see you in the next episode of the course. I'm going to be showing you how to use the coin market cap on your smartphone or your PC so that you can become a profitable trader.